Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the manufacturing industry? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? AI, once a concept relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now a reality in today's manufacturing world. And it's not just a novelty or a buzzword, no, it's an integral part of how our goods are produced. You see, AI is revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape, and it's doing so in a multitude of ways. It's helping to improve efficiency, ensuring that our production lines are running smoothly and swiftly. It's reducing waste, making sure that we're using our resources wisely and sustainably. And perhaps most importantly, it's increasing profitability, ensuring that the businesses that make our world turn can continue to do so. But don't just take my word for it. Let's delve into a real-life case study to see how AI is making a difference in manufacturing. Opening. Consider the example of Acme Manufacturing, a leading industrial company. Now, Acme Manufacturing has been one of the forerunners in adopting AI to transform their manufacturing landscape. They've taken the bold leap to integrate artificial intelligence, and the results, well, they speak for themselves. Acme Manufacturing has seen a significant improvement in production efficiency. By using AI algorithms to analyze their production processes, they have been able to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies and swiftly rectify them. The result? A smoother, faster, and more efficient production line. But that's not all. With the help of AI, Acme Manufacturing has also managed to drastically reduce waste. How, you ask? By incorporating predictive analysis to forecast production needs accurately, they've managed to minimize overproduction and the waste that comes with it. The result is not just cost savings, but also a step towards a more sustainable manufacturing process. And here's the clincher. All these improvements have led to a substantial increase in Acme's profitability. By boosting efficiency and minimizing waste, they've managed to cut costs and increase their bottom line. It's clear that AI has become a powerful ally in Acme Manufacturing's pursuit of growth and profitability. But the journey to AI implementation was not without its challenges. Acme faced hurdles in terms of technology integration, employee training, and managing the change process. However, they tackled these issues head-on. They invested in training their workforce, ensuring seamless integration of AI into their existing processes, and managed the change meticulously to ensure a smooth transition. Their journey serves as a reminder that while integrating AI into manufacturing processes can be a complex task, with the right approach, it is not just feasible, but can yield significant benefits. Closing. As we can see from this case study, AI is not just a buzzword, but a powerful tool that can drive significant improvements in manufacturing. So, what have we learned about AI in manufacturing? We've delved into the transformative power of artificial intelligence in the manufacturing sphere. We've seen how AI can streamline operations, boost productivity, and foster innovation. It's become clear that AI is not just a buzzword, but a tool that holds immense potential for enhancing efficiency and driving growth. We also touched upon the hurdles that come with AI adoption, such as the need for robust data infrastructure and skilled personnel. But these challenges are merely stepping stones on the path toward a more technologically advanced manufacturing landscape. Looking ahead, we can envision a future where AI is a common fixture in manufacturing, driving real-time decision-making, predictive maintenance, and even fully automated production lines. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI.